Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be camping out in our front yard. So we're going to go ahead and start setting up the tent right now. See you soon. We're really excited to camp out the night, and especially we haven't camped out in a really long time. And especially we will keep on building the tent until it's all built up. So now the tent's about set up, so now we're gonna put the sleeping bags inside the tent. Whee! Oh. Guys, I made a toothpick sword. What do you think? So you need a rubber band, 4 toothpicks, and then 3 right there, and the 3 will be down here, and then you need this one. Guys, you like my Nerf gun? What do you think of it? It looks cool, right? It's a sniper rifle. So the tent's set up, and now all the sleeping bags are in there, and now we're all ready to go. Do you guys want to see inside the tent? Here, follow me. See, now we got everything set up. Now we're gonna hang out and have some fun. So guys, it's fun to be outside, and it's also beautiful, and you should always come outside for fun. You shouldn't always stay inside and always play video games. You should just do it every once in a while. Especially when you can camp in your front yard, and that's a lot of fun too. So if you guys ever want to go camping but you can't, you can just camp in your front yard, but only on the weekends, because on school days you might get tardy. So I will see you in another couple minutes. Now I'm gonna take my boots off now. This is a 2-person tent, and it's just perfect for me and my dad. Okay guys, I'll get right back with you when we're ready to go to bed. Well, you know what? We forgot our pillows. I'm gonna go run and get them real quick. Hi guys, now we're in the tent. Now we're gonna go to bed. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'll catch you in the morning. Good night, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Did you get a good night's sleep? Our sleep was good. Now it's time to get some coffee. Thank you for watching the video, everybody. Bye.